Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so that may give you more clarity in your situation, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have King of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles in reverse and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are you are a hard worker. You have people appreciating your efforts and talents, and you are someone who is very intelligent, calculative, and you do things in the right way. You plan things and you go for that right action, guys, and you are quite successful in your career. So the way things are going, you are really happy, and maybe in your career situation people look up to you for your guidance, and they look up to you for your suggestions, guys. So some positive energy in your career situation, or it may be something to do with your life, with your relationship. You are in a good position, you have this person you love, and you have a good understanding with this person, and things are going in a very positive way, guys, Aries. And I also see that, Aries, for some of you, there are people, it may be someone in your work or someone in your family. They are posing as your friend, they are telling you certain things, suggesting you certain things, but you should not trust this person, guys. So whatever they are speaking, it may not be the truth, the entire truth. They are hiding something and they are not to be trusted. Maybe if you have a vague idea who it will be, you need to try to stay away from this person, guys, Aries. And Aries, I also see that there is an important communication reaching you, guys. It may be something to do with your career situation. Maybe you were expecting something, maybe some regarding some projects or agreements, whatever work you are doing right now, some work related decisions. So some form of communication, or it may be in your relationship. This person is sending you some email or a letter or a message. Something important is reaching you, guys. And for some of you, it may not be a very good news, guys, Aries. That is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have 10 of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in this relationship you would have shared happiness with this person, guys, before, but right now, today, in your present, there are some things that are not right. Something is missing. Maybe you both may have some kind of misunderstandings, and you are not feeling happy. You don't feel happy when you are with them, with this person. So some kind of worries or stress you have with this person, guys, Aries. And let's see what is the card for your career situation. Two of Swords. So you are making some difficult choices, guys, in your career situation. Maybe some kind of an honest decision, and that is really worrying you a lot because it may affect the people you love. So In your career, you are making some important choices for yourself, maybe based on the truth you have in your heart. And it is not going well because it is really against some of your friends or someone from your family. They will get affected by this decision if you are making. So this decision is affecting the way things are going for you in your career situation, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card, and it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys. One sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self. But we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.